Hi, today I'm for the UleFone Armor 17 and I'll show you how the fingerprint scanner tests on this device. So just I set up my fingerprint to the scanner on the power key button, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we'll see how fast this feature is and as it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As we can see, with a simple touch to the power key button to the fingerprint scanner, I just successfully unlocked the device without any problems. So this unlock method works just correct and successfully. So I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcode or PIN code unlock methods. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.